Reduce the TV. Hello guys, welcome to another video. If you are new, thank you so much. For my returning subscribers, I thank you even more. I really value it that you watch my videos. And please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. This is going to be a very short video because I wanted to show you something which I thought is crazy. I could never really do this in Kenya. Not then, not now, but my husband just likes it. It's like you just bring the food, how you cook it with the pot. So here's the cooking pan where I cooked the fish, and here is the cooking pot where we cooked the rice. And yeah, you just bring the whole thing in the table as it is, and you eat like that. Personally, I think it's crazy. Um, how can I say it? In my younger days, when I was small, if my mom saw this, not even that, let's say, we just don't do it in Kenya. Really, I find it a little crazy, but my husband is fine with it, and more or less he even likes it. So you just cook and bring the whole thing. So as you can see, this is still very hot. The glass table is not as stable, so I put our chopping board below the sufuria. What is the sufuria? Cooking pot. And this here, I have a warming stone. I don't know what you call it, but it's a stone which keep the pot or plate hot. So I still have the warming stone there. It's surrounded with the, what is this one? It's surrounded with the bamboo. It's surrounded with the bamboos. So that's all I wanted to show you. We'll just be having, my husband will be drinking his water. I don't drink water. I don't like water. I will be having energy drinks. So what do you think? Who has brought food to the table in the cooking pot where you cooked it? It's more or less, it's nothing new here. And we don't make life so complicated and giri. We just make our life easy, simple, enjoy, and that's it. So if it's okay with bringing food to the table in the pot where we cooked it, that's what we do, and we are both happy. We are both okay. We don't make our life complicated. I wish he could say hello, but he always say he's too ugly to be on camera. But I find he's the best man ever. Honey, come here. Say hello. He just say no, no. He just waved me no, no from the side. Also, guys, that's that. We'll be having fish and rice, and yeah, that's all. Thanks for stopping by. Please, once again, share, comment, and hit the subscription button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much, and bye-bye. Talk soon. Bye-bye.